Okay, welcome back to my channel. So another Math Olympiad question. Find the value of 5 raised to 2023 minus 25 raised to 1011 all over 5 raised to 2023 plus 5 raised to 2022. So pause the video and try to answer. So the choices are 2/3, 4/3, 3/2, and 1/3. Okay, so let's start. First step, so we have look at the bases. We have 5, 5, 5, and then we have 25 here. So we can write 25 as base of 5. So therefore, we write this as 25 is equal to 5 square. Okay? So we have 5 raised to 2023 minus the 25 will become 5 square. And then we have 1011 all over, just copy the denominator, 5 raised to 2023 plus 5 raised to 2022. So we apply the law of exponent here. If we have two exponents, all we have to do is multiply. So just multiply. So we have 2 times 1011. So that will become 2022. Okay, so therefore we have 5. Copy the rest. 5 raised to 2023 minus 5 raised to 2022 over 5 raised to 2023 plus 5 raised to 2022. So next step, we just need to factor. So look at, since we have same base of 5, just look at the exponent 2023 and 2022. So we can factor out the smaller exponent, 5 raised to 2022. Okay? So therefore, if we factor out 2022, so just subtract 2023 minus 2021 minus 2022, we have 5 raised to the first power. Just subtract 2023 minus 2022. So we have 1. Minus, since we factor all of these, so we have 1. Okay? And then for the denominator, same. So we have same base of 5. So we factor the smaller exponent. Again, 5 raised to 2022. Okay, subtract the exponent, 2023 minus 2022. So we have 5 raised to the first power plus, we factor all of this, so we have 1. If we multiply, we go back to this. Okay? So now let's simplify. We can cancel out the 5 raised to 2022. Both the numerator and denominator has 5 raised to 2022. And then, just simplify this. 5 to the first power is 5 minus 1, we have 4. And then 5 plus 1, we have 6. So reduce to lowest term, we can divide both by 2. Therefore, the final answer is 2 over 3, which is letter A. So that's it. So thank you for watching and see you again on my next video about Math Olympiad. So if this is your first time, don't forget to follow me on YouTube, GTR Math Tutorial, and on Facebook, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye and God bless.